Hi everyone, today we're at 330 Jeanette Street. Let's head inside. Alrighty, here we are. First off, we walk into our living room. These carpets are gorgeous. Look brand new. Here we have an extra bonus room, whatever you'd like to make this room. And let's turn back into our kitchen. We have a kitchen nook area and our kitchen. Then let's head inside to bedroom number 1. Down the hall, we have bedroom number 2. And right here we have bedroom number 3. We also have a bathroom right here. This is the master. And if we head back into the hall, we will have our second bathroom. Thanks guys, and check out our property at flagshipreproperty.com for more information, and you can come see it yourself. Thanks guys.